Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Here we'll see how to recover a deleted mails in Gmail, in your Gmail. So here I will show you live. First of all, I'm going to delete this mail. So how to delete? I'll just press hold of it, and once I press hold of it, all these icons will come up. So here I just delete this mail. So the mail has been deleted. Once again, these two mails, another mail. I'll just press hold of this and delete. So once I do this, you can see one deleted. If you want to undo that also, you can do it. So once the mail is deleted, it goes to a folder called trash. I'll show you. You just click these three bars and you can go to here, something called trash. You can see there are two mails in my trash. Once I open it, you can see items that have been in trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. Or if at all you want to delete your trash right now itself, you can click here empty trash now. But here you can see once this mail is deleted from the trash, whether by voluntarily emptying the trash right now or automatically after 30 days by Gmail, this message cannot be recovered. Just remember, after 30 days these mails cannot be recovered. So right now, if I by mistake I have deleted this mail, or for that matter I want this email for some reason back to my inbox, then I can just press hold of this and also long press this email as well. Once you do that, go here and move to primary. Well, your inbox has been divided into primary, social and promotion. Go just press primary here and you can see your email has been moved to primary. You can undo as well if you want. So if I go to my primary inbox, in inbox there is something called primary. If I press here, you can see the mail has returned to my inbox. So this is how you can recover your deleted emails in your Gmail. So friends, I hope you know how to recover your deleted emails from your Gmail account back to your inbox. So this is how you do it. So friends, if you found this video useful, please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such technical videos in future. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.